If I could ever wipe some troubles away, with everyone I'd share that luckier day. But you're the one by whom I finally stay, 'cause it's written I'm loving you only.
If destiny would make me famous and strong, I'd throw away all from this world what is wrong. And in my heart I'll sing a happier song, and then no one would ever be lonely. But I can change this world around, and you are all that I have found. So I must do what I can do, and I can sing a song. I love you. If my little life is filled up with this feeling, so if my head's reeling, I can't help it. If I want to sing about all my loving feeling, tell me that you understand. Is it really right that I am feeling so good? Deep in my heart I wish that everyone should.
But our love is ours, it's understood, 'cause it's written I'm loving you only. And I can change this world around, and you are all that I have found. So I must do what I can do, and I can sing a song. I love you. If my little life is filled up with this feeling, so if my head's reeling, I can't help it. If I want to sing about all my loving feeling, tell me that you understand. If love is only fortune that I have made, I am a rich man 'cause in your arms I've stayed.
Let others share this feeling so it never will fade,
And then no one would ever be lonely.
if I could ever wipe some troubles away,
With everyone I'd share that luckier day.
but you're the one by whom I finally stay,
'Cause it's written I'm loving you only. If destiny would make me famous and strong, I'd throw